Coming up, I'll show you how I use an electric egg cooker to make the most amazing, easy peel hard-boiled eggs. Well, hey, all, welcome. Now, for the past 10 days, I have been checking out this automatic electric egg cooker that was sent to me by the manufacturer so that I could check it out and share my thoughts with you. But I have to tell you, I'm kind of impressed. Besides being restaurant quality stainless steel, the top, the bowl, the stuff that you cook eggs with can go right in the dishwasher, not the bottom part, can go in the dishwasher. But they should change the name of this thing to the Easy Peel Egg Maker, because I have to tell you, I have made eggs in a pressure cooker. I've boiled eggs, of course. I've even sous vide eggs, but nothing can compare with the eggs that I made with this automatic egg cooker. You'll probably be surprised to find out, just like I was, how fast this egg cooker is. Now check out these eggs I made in exactly 7 minutes. Look how easy this egg is to peel. But not just hard or soft boiled eggs. This comes with a bowl that you can use to make an omelet, or you can also make poached eggs with it. Here's everything that comes in the box. Now, one thing you want to note is the water cup. Let's take a close look at that. You'll notice it has measurements in millimeters plus the number of eggs you intend to cook. It's important to get the precise measurement because the automatic turn-off function is activated when the water completely steams away. There is a light on the switch in the front that indicates when power is being applied to the 360-watt heater. When the light goes out, the egg cooker is finished cooking. Now, one of the things I noticed about this cooker is that the switch has two positions. The first position turns on the heater, and the second position turns on the heater and the light. So make sure you push the switch all the way down. And this way you'll know when the light goes out, your eggs are done cooking. Take a look at the bottom of the measuring cup and you'll notice a little pin sticking out. Now, to explain what that's for, let's take a close look at an egg. You see the wide blunt end is actually the top and the narrow pointy end is the bottom. When using an electric egg cooker, you always want to use the pin to poke a small hole right in the wide top end. And here's why. There's a natural pocket of air trapped just inside that blunt top. When the intense steam from the cooker hits the egg, the air expands incredibly fast. Now, poking a hole acts like a little pressure relief valve, giving the air a way to escape so the eggshell doesn't blow out or crack. And as a bonus, releasing that pressure is the absolute best way to guarantee perfectly cooked, easy to peel eggs every time. Besides being the fastest way to cook hard or soft boiled eggs, taking just 7 to 12 minutes depending on how many eggs you're cooking, this cooker is a true set it and forget it tool. There's no more standing around watching a pot on the stove making sure it doesn't boil over. I like it because it delivers perfect eggs every single time with no cracked shells and no babysitting in the kitchen. Now just remember to drop your eggs into a bowl of ice water for about 15 minutes as soon as they're done cooking. Now, when you consider the cost of this cooker and how convenient it is, for me, it's a no-brainer. I have no problem recommending it.